Hey guys, it's Mr. G. I wanted to make a quick video because I still am not getting the best results or participation even for the writer's journals. Now, first, the writer's journal is important because this is a writing class. The best way to get better at writing is by writing. We want you writing every day in my class, just about. We didn't have any journals whenever there's a big test day or something like that because we want you to have time. But by and large, almost every day in my class, we have you writing a journal entry. Um, so I want to do a quick one more tutorial, and I'll send this out to y'all one more time. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. Boom, share. Now, first is how to get to your journal, okay? So I'm going to come over here and right here, this groups button, I'm going to click it. Mine says journal 5. Yours will say your period number, your last name, your first name, journal. So for instance, for me, it would say to Galbraith Colton's journal. Okay. So you click on it and it's going to take you to your journal page. Now, if I want to write a page in my journal, I have to click on pages. Who'd have thought, right? So you click on pages and then you can see my entry for last week. Here's how you would create a new entry. So I want you titling your entries by the dates. So right now, next Monday, we don't have school Monday. Next Tuesday is going to be the 13th. So I'm going to add a page and I'm going to title it October 13th dash, and then I'm going to look and see what Friday is. So Tuesday's the 13th, Friday's the 16th. To October 16th. Now, I'm going to start writing. If you're in class with me, it's 10 minutes worth of writing. I had some kids that weren't writing enough in class. By that, I mean they would write one sentence in 10 minutes. I think we can all agree that we can do more than that. So, 150 words is the baseline. That's what we're aiming for. That's extremely doable. I think y'all can do more than that, but that's what we're going to start with right now because we're all beginning. So we're going to start with our story. Or actually, first, I'm going to write Monday. Then I'm going to hit return. That way, or actually, no, because it's not Monday, it's Tuesday. Tuesday. So if this was Tuesday and I'm doing my journal entry, then I would write whatever I wanted to. And then you just keep typing. There's 28 words already. There's 28 words already. I am about a fifth of the way done. A little less, but almost. Here's my word count right there. It tells me how many words I got. So, and then I'm going to keep writing for ease sake. Here is gibberish. I'm just going to do this for an example. Okay, there's 102 words. That's not much. And I know that's gibberish, but that's about what it looks like lengthwise. Okay? So then for my, what I would do after that is I would click save, and that would be my entry for Tuesday. Then when I come back to school the next day, or when I log into my English Canvas course the next day, and it says journal entry, if it's still this week, rather than make a new page, whenever I get to my journal page and I get to my pages, I'm going to click on the week because it's the same week. And then I'm going to click edit. So now that I'm in edit, it'll pull up the entry just as it was, and I can add to it. So then I would hit return. I would write Wednesday, hit return again, and then I would start typing again, and so on and so forth for that whole week, so that I only have one entry per week, okay? I have one page per week, but I still have an entry every single day that we have a journal. Now, if you're using the word counter to keep it, so let's say that said 150. My next entry, it should say around 300, because 150 plus 150 is 300. After that, it would be 450. After that, it would be, what, 600, 750. So in a 5-day week, we're looking for 750 words on one page. It's doable. It's doable. It's only going to be a miserable assignment if you get caught making up a whole week in a day. Okay? Do it. It's a daily writing. We want you writing daily. Okay? It's an easy grade. I want you to have it. Have a good one. And I said goodbye, and now I gotta awkwardly stop this video.